Guys, what is going on? It is Mike. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new FineWoven cases. These are the cases replacing Apple's leather cases, starting at $59.99 for the FineWoven cases, available for the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Figure out whether they are worth it or not, and how they compare to tried and true leather. We'll figure that out. Let's get started. Now the cases are available for the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. I have them here for the iPhone 15 Pro Max because that was what I'm ordering. And my phone that I ordered is gonna be in blue, so I'm trying to figure out which one of these cases is gonna look the best with blue. Now these cases are $60 each individual case, and we have them here. This is gonna be Mulberry, Evergreen, Taupe, Pacific Blue, and Black. Now I'm not gonna bore you with opening up these boxes because that's not even fun, but let's take a look at this and see how it. Oh wow, this is actually interesting. FineWoven makes a lot of sense. So this is the Mulberry. Now this is actually kind of cool. The fabric itself stops at the edge of the device. Here we still have the metal buttons. These are in place. This is a single unified button you can see on the inside here. And this action button just kind of floats. I like the way that this feels, though this is not the soft touch fabric that they have on the leather cases on the inside. So you could see here how that interior, it is still soft, but it's more that same fabric. It's got the MagSafe ring. It has this metal button for the Siri sleep wake button. This is actually kind of cool. The fabric itself stops here in this wraparound banding that you have all the way across the device. This is actually kind of nice. I like this. Got a nice feel to it. It's almost like a suede or like a microfiber. Yeah, I like that. But if we compare these side by side, you can see the button is kind of similar. Here it's obviously a shiny, it's a shiny material. This looks very same. And judging by the way the case is, that there's a slight decrease in the length of the device based on how they have those wraparound edges. This is actually kind of cool. Now let's just see what that looks like here when we put this in. It's not going to fit exactly. Nope. Doesn't fit these devices. Definitely don't want to call emergency services. So this is Mulberry. Let's take a look at the next one, which is going to be Evergreen. Green against the orange. Same material. I like the way this looks. Let's check out Taupe. Oh, this is actually really nice. Taupe feels really nice for sure. Looks nice. Got a nice reflection to it. Get a little bit better visuals. You got the iPhone word mark. You have the MagSafe ring. Let's see here. Do I have my kind of Taupe wallet from Moft. That looks nice. Pacific Blue. Oh yeah, I think this is the winner here. Now see that, already picking up a little bit of fabric. Let's try this. Let's put this in my pocket. Comes out clean out of the pocket. Though if you're wearing some jeans, I don't know how that will actually come out. That is very nice. And then last but not least, we have black, which really looks more like gray. This is actually kind of nice. I like this one too. There's no orange, which is sad. Now, kind of surprising, they all are very kind of subtle matte colors. I like all of these colors. I would say that if you got the blue iPhone, this is gonna look super sharp on the blue iPhone. Black, obviously this would look good on the black. This might look good on the blue as well, or on the black as well. This is very nice. Taupe, maybe the silver one or the white one. And I don't know what these two colors are for. Not for me though, that's for sure. I like leather a lot, and leather feels very nice in the hands. The thing I don't like about leather, which I imagine that some people really love about it, is the fact that it patinas or wears over time. I've taken this in and out of my jeans 100 different times, and you can see here it's got the dark stains from my dark jeans, which maybe I just don't necessarily care for. I like the way it looks brand new, but this is very nice. This seems maybe not necessarily any different in the rigidity of it, and I think it would wear well. Let's take a look here. I'll be right back. So if you get it wet, it shows a little bit of mark, but there it is. Let me know which color you like the best and whether or not you think this is a suitable replacement for leather. I don't think it is. I think it's just different. It's just different material. Now, there are a ton of other manufacturers that make leather cases, and I have a ton of other cases and other accessories coming for the iPhone 15 lineup of devices. So if you want to see that, make sure you are subscribed. My name is Mike, and I will talk to you in the next one. Whew, it has been so hot here lately, so hot. I can't believe this.